He's a prey, but he's big. She's a predator, but she's small. This is how an introvert acts every time anyone tries to befriend them. No wonder why the house is always out of toilet paper. Let me help you, Mummy. The Flash in the Meowtiverse. Let us know which moment you like best. Thanks for watching. When your boss walks in and you're gonna act like you're actually doing something.
I don't know what drugs you took this morning, but this is unacceptable behavior.
When someone says it's easy like a piece of cake. Who's gonna beg like a gentleman like this?
Bruh.
Stop laughing and help me! Someone is getting into trouble.
Bruh.
เปิดพัดลมเองด้วยโอ้โหโคตรสุดสุดมากลูกเอ้ยเดี๋ยวช่วยก่อนไป
Swift like a wind, he's training for a big fight. This cat jumps into the trash bin faster than some people jump to conclusions. You know your chair's gone when your cat claims it as her throne. Sounds like someone's learning how to use those paws properly to grab food like human. When it's mealtime, but you have to wait for more than an hour. Never ever try to wake up a daydreamer.
พ่อค้าซื้อสโมหน่อยซื้อสโมหน่อยครับ
The Halloween's been gone for ages, but that evil spirit's still hanging around. Seems like this baby forgot the first rule for bathtub safety. Avoid lounging on the tub's edge. Nothing can make that excitement about the outside world go away. The best treatment at the spa is probably sleeping, not the chicken. Wrong formula, but correct result. Kitten must have finished 2 bobas before bedtime. It's playtime, doggo! Wake up! I can't play tag just by myself!
Kitty, can I take a video?
When you're a low-key cat, but your human doesn't seem to understand that. Her human better call an exorcist. Creepy!
Dark and Teletubbies, Tinky Winky, Dipsy, and motherfucking
Let's show people how to be a cuisine lady. Food is the best friend, even if it's just a vegetable.
Allah'ım yarabbim ya Resulullah ya. Sanırsın et, sanırsın tavuk.
What would you do if you saw this? An example of coming from money. When you're born a cat but aspire to be an F1 racer.
Is it just me, or has anybody ever had to explain to somebody that no, I wasn't a cutter, I don't cut myself, but the scars on my arms are because I have 2 furry little assholes that don't know the difference between playtime and a fight to the death?
Another proof that cats are, in fact, a kind of liquid.